Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will share with you how you can cancel Turbo AI subscription. So friends, if you log in your account, as you can see here, click on this account from here. You will see the subscription section. As you can see here, if you have a subscription or premium subscription, so friends, if you have a premium subscription, as I say, from here click on this icon, click on the screen. You can also, as you can see here, you can manage your subscription, your accounts from here. I don't have any subscription premium. If you have, you can see your cancel from this icon. You see icon, click cancel. This is the first step. So just click cancel from here, for example icon, and then cancel from the down. So friends, from the setting you can cancel as I say. And then if this method not work, you can contact email support. Click contact from here, and then you will reach support email to complete your cancellation process. Just wait to open your email address. So friends, just wait. You will see from the subject, this is for support team. As you can see here, click subject, cancel subscription. As you can see, for example there, click hello dear support team. For example, support team, I want to cancel my membership. Write your reason for cancellation. Write your all details here, friends, and then write your all details. After that, click on the send option. This is for cancellation. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video.